to Dad Riffs, and today we're going to be working on Time in a Bottle. All right, so you got this D minor chord. Those are the notes that you're going to be using. And then you're just going to walk the root note down. And while you do that, you're just going to be going down and up on the strings, or I guess up and down, either way. And you're going to be using all of these fingers, including your thumb. So it goes like this. And then you got your pinky right here for the root note. Bit of a stretch. And then you scoot your pinky down one. Or you could swap your ring finger and your pinky. There you go. And then you got this one. So you're keeping the same bottom three strings, except you're walking that root note down. So this would be the easiest way to do it. So it looks like that. And then you got your pointer finger going right here on the first fret of the A string. Keep your pinky right there. Then you got the bottom three strings. And you hit the A string and the B string at the same time. And then hit those two again at the same time, but then you drop it down to here. And then you got the open A string now. Then you got, the E string and the G string at the same time, both on the third fret. Back to the chord you just did. And now you've got the third fret of the B, second fret of the A. Slide that up to here. And then you got the D string and the B string, both right there. And then you got pointer finger right here this time. So your middle finger is on the 7th fret, pointer finger on the 6th fret. And then they're both on the 5th fret at the end there. And you're hitting the D string and the B string. Now it's the first guitar. The second guitar does this little thingy. You're gonna have your pinky and your ring finger right here. You don't have to have your pinky and your ring. You could bar it. You could do it like that. You could do it like this. You could do it like this. I feel like these two are the easiest for what you're gonna be doing next. So you go back and forth between the B and the E string. And you just walk that down, and then of course you walk it down again. And this time you're going to slide your ring finger down. And then swap your ring for your pinky, and you're gonna put your middle finger right here. So it goes. And then you got your pointer finger right here. Walk it up. Swap it for your pinky. I think back down. Then you got right here. And then they're both gonna be on the 7th fret. You're hitting the G string and the E string this time. So it goes. Both on the 9th, go to the 12th, 10, and then 9. Yes, that's the intro. We're gonna do probably a few weeks on this song. There's 2 guitars going pretty much the entire time. Yes, good luck, sir. Good luck. A lot of finger practice, a lot of finger picking. Good luck.